Ayan o, Fletcher Hotel, The Bardoco. Check in kami dyan. So, come and join us. Join kayo. Punta tayo dyan. So here we arrive at Fletcher Hotel in Dearne. Dati siyang cloister. So tingnan natin siya sa loob. Ayan. Hotel. Fletcher Hotel. Ang dating seminarista. Seminaryo. Naging Fletcher Hotel na ngayon. Pasok tayo. Tingnan natin. So ito yung paligid niya. Yung harapan niya. Ayan. So punta tayo dito. Pasok tayo. Juan. Ito, reception. Oh, yan siya. Ganda. Ganda rin ang upuan, no? Check-in muna kami. Ayan, check-in muna. At upo muna kayo, kuya, dyan.
A few moments later.
Nakarehas, tas tinan mo, parang sa kama naman yung elevator, ang ganda. Ayan, dito tayo, sa lugar na yan. Diyan tayo. Ayan. Ito. Tinan mo kasi nga seminaryo to, kuya eh. Ang elevator nila, tinan mo, sasara. Ayan ang elevator. Parang rehas. Diba? Ang ganda. Tinan mo dito, ayan ang paligid. Paikot siya, So, ito, paikot siya ng hotel. Yung ministeryo. Seminarista pala. Seminaryo. Tawag dyan. Ito, magkahiwalay kayo ni Dina. Tinan mo, ayan, overlooking ang kanila, meron kayong kape, ayan tinapay na lang kulang, ayan, kuya, ayan, tinan mo, maganda yung
Sana gumana, chef.
gagana yan.
Hindi yung kapehan doon sa kabila.
Ayan, tinan mo po, ay, ito pala ayun yung chapel, dito kayo sa may chapel, ayan yung simbahan na gusto kong puntahan. Andiyan ang simbahan.
Kita mo?
Kita ko, dito sa kwarto nyo. Ayan,
Pero mukhang sarado.
Titinan natin, baka may daan yan sa loob, baka restaurant, baka yan ang restaurant nila. Titinan natin. So here's the room here in Fletcher Hotel here in Dearne. Look, this is the church. I want to see really the church because as I told you, this is a seminary before and may church sila. So maliit yung hotel. Ito yung toilet. Maliit actually lang yung room niya. Ganyan lang. So okay lang. Diba? Pero our room is just here by the parking. Ayan parking talaga kami mismo. Yun car ni Dina. So, ayan yung highway. Andun sila sa kabila. Kanina kinunan kong video. Ito yung amin. Yung aming overlooking kung saan ang aming hotel, ang aming room.
One eternity later.
We go to the chapel, yung church.
We hoeven niet buiten langs.
The church here in Fletcher Hotel Dearne. This is actually inside of the church, but now it is a sal event place. Wala na rin the organ is not there also anymore. A lot of things are not there as you see yesterday. So this is supposed to be the church, but they still have a mass once a month, they said. Ayun, nakita nyo yung simbahan. So, ito pa rin yung mga picture ng simbahan.
Gamit na nila ganyan.
Ganun. Kahapon din yung pinunta namin sa Tilburg. Look.
Soms zit een
Ayan, So, here is yung mga rebulto pa dito.
Snap ik. U heeft wel geluk gehad, want we hebben er maar één.
So, actually, this is the middle of this cloister. How is cloister seminaryo? Ayan. So I think doon kami. Our room is in this side. So now it's all hotel, Fletcher Hotel here in Dearne. So this is how it looks like. Ayan. And this is their bar and restaurant. Nice. They renovate actually the inside, all the rooms. So it's beautiful, and I think it's beautiful in this side, the garden side, during summer. But it is winter, kaya malamig ngayon dito. Kaya papasok na ako. So ito yung gitna, yung garden nila. The middle of the monastery. Monastery or convent, how you call it, bahala na kayo. So ito yung kanilang bar. Ayan, they have a sitting bar over here. Look. May malalaking pot ng halaman. Oh, it's nice also. The decoration actually is like from the church. Ayan ang bar nila. May billiard table, bar. So ito yan. So the name of the bar is Doko Bistro. And as you see, ito yung monastery talaga. This is how it is. Look.
A few moments later.
Ayan, uwian na. Umuulan na nga ngayon kahapon, maganda ang weather eh. Ayan, uwian na. Check out na kami sa Fletcher Hotel. Thanks. So ayan yung restaurant na inikot ko kanina. And there by that restaurant beside, ayan yung room namin. At dun ang room ni Nadina. So check out na kami. Thanks Hotel, Fletcher Hotel. Na nakita kita sa loob. Na kami sa parking. Next destination na. Bye! Thank you for watching!